So timing this motor is quite easy. So I bought a billet timing set. It did come with little marks, and I made the marks a little bit bigger on both pulleys. So basically, the keyway straight up, and your mark lines up with this little notch right here. And then from there, this notch and this bolt need to line up across down center to the distributor shaft. So as you can see, it doesn't line up right now. And I went a little bit too far there. Still just a tad bit too far. So I am happy with that right there. I'm going to put the belt on and see if she lines up with all the cogs. And it lines up perfectly. I'm going to release the tension. And you don't really want the belt to be too tight. You can give it a little bit, but don't give it too much. If you get too much, then it puts too much stretch in the belt. You can damage the belt and the bearings and the pulleys. So I just give it a little tiny bit. And I'm going to tighten up your tensioner. I'm going to recheck it. Down through the center of this bolt, through my notch, to the center of your counter or your distributor shaft. And it's bang on. My mark down here is with the notch, it's bang on. So this pulley can be in any place, but you need to make sure that it's actually pointing at number 1 top dead center.